So I have my PicoMiteWeb program working now in manual mode only to control 6 relays, 2 MOSFET modules, and it responds to 4 temperature modules and 4 switches. The switches represent mains power, battery power, door, and motion. The temperature sensors represent inside and outside temperature and humidity, and for a circulator, the supply and return temperatures. And the relays and MOSFET modules represent a circulator, a louver vent, mister, dehumidifier, fan in and fan out, heater, and lights. So we start it all by turning it on to manual, and then can, for instance, here is the PicoMite. Then, for instance, you can turn on what I'm calling the circulator. And click submit, and then turns on this LED here. Clicking the fans turns them on. Other relays turned on down here. Note these are 12-volt lights. Oops. So everything working now. If I increase the humidity off screen, I'm going to be breathing on it. And then again, click submit. Maybe it went to 100. Now apparently I had to change something for it to take, and that's something I have to fix. But basically that's it. It will the switches. So the one representing the door, and there's actually a refresh on here, and so 30 seconds that green light turned on from red that represents the door. Likewise, if I turn off the battery, I believe that was the best switch for the battery, after some seconds it will go off. And that's it. That's all the gear. So I have to do a little more to make sure that I can change temperature sensor without, or humidity sensor without actually changing one of the relays. And then I may be ready to try it with real equipment in what is not my solar greenhouse, but I do have a little solar shed. If I go to off and submit, well, it didn't turn things off. More to do.